Oh dear, I got so set on, I rather like these sort of marshmallowy colours. I've forgotten which one we're working on first. Here we go. Now this word in the middle is made from the two words on either side using dark magic. Ooh. Using the same dark magic, ooh, we must find what word in here comes from these two. So let's get light blue. This P comes, oh, we've got to check. 5 equals 5, 5 equals 5. Good, that's easy. So the P comes from the first letter on this side, which is C. Now you can, sometimes people like to do white lines going, or even blue lines going down like that. Works for some people, doesn't work for me. It just sends my dyslexia going. But where that runs a cropper is if you end up with this having, say, 5 letters and that 4. But we'll come across one of those sooner or later. So we know that the P equals C. Now the L, there are no L's on this side. It's got to be the first letter on this side, which is R. Then the A, no A's here, so it's got to be this A, which is A. Having said that, this seems to be working quite well, doesn't it? The T, there are no T's here, so it's got to be that T, which is V. And then the E could either be this E, write it down, or this E. So the word is crave. So we're just checking a bit of vocabulary, really. To crave something is to really want it. Now let's try this one. Lambs, clamp, pinch, lava, erase. Lava star. I'm not convinced that's a British word. Look it up and find out. Because you've got lava, haven't you? Lava, which is like the bubbles and things that you get when you what have I done now? Bear with me. It's when you sort of bubble up in it, the lava. But not sure about that. Well, I live in Laverstock. Something to do with the enclosure of the larks or something. Who cares? See, the problem is, that's it. You can get stuck on with them. Oh, that's not real. Doesn't matter. Just get on with the question. So, 5 equals 5, 5 equals 5. That's going to be easy. The C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is S. The L, no L's. It's got to be this L, which is L. The A is A. The M, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is V. And the P, no P's. It's got to be this P, E. There weren't many options there, was there? Slave. So that's easy enough. Now let's try this one. Look at that lovely marshmallow colouring. 5 equals 5. 5 equals 5. Ooh, 4. Unless Rhines Anita. Now, this is where we end up with it getting a little bit tricky. So, Rhines could be R-I-N-D-S, or it could go the other way. So it could be Edam is the first of Rhines, or it could go R-I-N-D-S, or it could be the last 4, and you have to factor in all of those possibilities. So the D would come from here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, which is M, or it's the second from the right, 1, 2, which is D. Now, can you see where I've written it? Here we've got the D equaling M, got it? Or the D equaling A. Hang on, let's get some of this colour things going right. And that is why we check, my darlings, because I just wrote D, didn't I? A. Now, the R, once again, it comes from this side. So there's the R equaling E. and it can't equal anything there. So actually that's okay, we can go with that one. The I equals D, or the I equals E. So let's choose another colour. So I equals D, or the I equals E. That's the next letter. Are we okay with that? Now on to the V. Whew, thank goodness for that. The V definitely comes from the fourth letter on that side, which is A. And then the E, oh look, no E's on that side, which is L. So, middle. M-E-D-A-L. Nasty when you get these ones like that. I'm not convinced that Edam is an actual place. It should have a capital E, surely. Who? Oh, but once again, you see, don't get caught up and start arguing with the questions. Just do them. No one's impressed.